In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Netflix app update required. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet and has a stable connection. Sometimes poor internet connectivity can prevent apps from updating. Step number 2. Restart the device. Restart your device. This can help resolve minor software glitches that may be causing the issue. Step number 3. Check for updates manually. Go to your device app store, Google Play Store for Android devices, App Store for iOS devices etc. and manually check for updates for the Netflix app. If there is an update available, then download it and install it. Step number 4. Clear app cache in Android. If you are using an Android device, clearing the Netflix app cache can sometimes resolve issue. Go to settings, then go to apps, then go to Netflix, then tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. Step number 5. Update device software. Make sure your device operating system is up to date. Sometimes outdated software can cause compatibility issues with apps. Go to your device settings and check for any available software updates. Step number 6. Uninstall and reinstall Netflix. If the above steps don't work, try uninstalling the Netflix app from your device and then reinstalling it from the App Store. This can often resolve any underlying issues with the app. Step number 7. Contact Netflix support. If none of the above steps work, it is possible that there may be an issue with your Netflix account or with the apps itself. Contact Netflix customer support for further assistance. They may be able to provide specific troubleshooting steps or escalate the issue if necessary. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.